first of all, you got to make sure that your membrane is clean, free of any dust, dirt, anything. If you don't, you're going to have a void and it won't stick. So when you clean the membrane, I'm just going to use a weathered membrane cleaner. Simple as putting it on your rag and just wiping the area off that you're going to be priming. Before you prime, you make sure this is flashed off, otherwise your primer isn't going to stick. So you want to make sure that that is dry first. And it doesn't take long for that to evaporate off. Alright, our next step is we're going to be applying the primer. And this is the Firestone Quick Prime. It also has a cleaning agent in it as well. It's a real good product. So when you apply your primer on, you never want to use a brush. You always use these 3M scrub pads. And basically you want to do a little rotation motion and then you can smooth it out. You don't want any ponding. If you get ponding, it'll actually distort the rubber. And you don't want to work it, once it's there, let it dry off. You don't want to go over it again because you can actually pull the primer right back off. So now you wait for that to flash off. All right, now that the primer is flashed off, and we know it's flashed off because it goes on with a pretty high gloss. As you can see, it gets more of a satin look as it dries. Depending on where you're working, if you're working outside, this stuff will flash off much quicker than it will, as the temperatures go down. And as you can see, you can touch it, and it doesn't stick to your finger or you're not pulling the primer off of the membrane. That's another sign it's all ready to go.